I'm Kyle, welcome to Grain King. Down here at Grain King we're getting ready for the seeding season, as most of you guys will be. We've got the 35 tonne seed and super bin, as you can see right here. Split straight down the middle so we can get two different products in it, zero contamination. So we want third in the front, seed in the back, or whichever way you would like to do things. We'll just have a little walk around the machine. This machine is fully automated with the eight button macro here, which controls the grain flow. Grain flow here with the actuator. Obviously doesn't control this manual clean out door, but we've got a clean out door for the front and back. Make it easier for after the season. If you guys want to clean it out, as I said, this one here controls the flow, which is obviously controlled by there as well. If you come around the side, got two 14-inch augers, all stainless steel. Same, I didn't mention the bottom of the bin is stainless steel as well, so the super can't eat away at it and it can't corrode. These 14-inch discharge augers have got a rain cap there. As you can see, as soon as you open the auger up, these caps open, close up, and then you're obviously spitting your product to where you need to be. These tyres here, there are options on tyres, but we find these ones are the ones that guys are asking for, the 30.5 by 32s. At the moment, we come around the back, so we've got brake axle here. The back axle is actually steerable, which is exactly what you need on farm. Most of you guys will have backpackers in. I mean, the steerable axle, just a little bit more trust with them guys. You can leave them out in the paddock knowing that they are controlling your 35 tonnes of product around quite safely. Well, they should be. We come around the back of the machine. Obviously there's another actuator here for the flow of this back bin, another clean out door for the cleaning out of this back bin itself. So what you really got here is two separate bins. As I said, super in one, seed in the other one. Fire away. We're ready for seeding here. We are known for harvest products, but this is something we have been working on for a while. It's a beautiful machine. I just like the look of it. Have a look at this thing. If you get an order in sooner than later, we're going to give away a Grain King Esky free of charge, so you can charge this up with beers and get to seeding. Okay, thank you very much.